Good time, everybody. Today, we'll surprise you with bright information about the magic of the Mediterranean diet and its taste. Yamu, juicy, and healthy.
Don't forget to mention how these foods are easy to prepare and cook.
Right, exactly. Welcome to the Afsan Farm Kitchen podcast. You know what's amazing? The average person spends over 2,000 hours of their life deciding what to eat for lunch. But what if we could transform that time into something actually enjoyable?
That's such an interesting way to think about it. What got you looking into lunch optimization?
Well, I discovered this incredible collection of Mediterranean-style lunches that each pack at least 15 grams of protein. The standout is this kale and sweet potato salad with chicken that completely transforms how you think about healthy eating.
I've always struggled with kale. How do they make it actually palatable?
Here's the game-changing technique. They massage the kale first, which breaks down those tough fibers. Then, they combine it with roasted sweet potatoes, feta, golden raisins, and crunchy almonds. The tahini dressing is what really brings it all together.
That's so clever. Speaking of creative combinations, I recently tried this elevated sandwich called the tuna niçoise melt that completely changed my lunch game.
Oh yeah? What makes it so special?
Well, imagine taking all the sophisticated elements of a French niçoise salad, the tuna, briny olives, hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, and transforming them into this incredible melty sandwich with fontina cheese on sourdough. It's like comfort food met fine dining.
You know what else caught my attention? This Marry Me white bean salad. That's apparently so good it inspired marriage proposals. It's got these tender white beans, sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh basil in this amazing creamy dressing.
That's exactly what I need in my meal prep rotation. How long does it keep?
So, that's another brilliant part. It actually gets better after a day or two in the fridge as the flavors meld together. And speaking of protein-packed options, there's this genius cucumber sandwich with a whipped cottage cheese spread that's mixed with white miso and soy sauce.
Now that's an innovative way to boost protein. What about plant-based options?
Oh man, let me tell you about this black bean salad that's become my go-to. The beans provide this amazing protein base, but it's the combination with roasted sweet potatoes and citrus dressing that makes it special. Then there's this chickpea farro bowl that's literally a texture paradise.
I love how they're elevating simple ingredients. What else goes into these grain bowls?
Well, they layer in fresh vegetables, crumbled feta, and here's the brilliant part. You can swap the farro for quinoa or brown rice if that's what you have. But wait until you hear about their Asian-inspired canned tuna rice bowl with kimchi and sriracha mayo.
It's such a smart way to transform pantry staples. I've been particularly intrigued by their no-cook options as well.
Like that black bean taco bowl with lime crema. It's genius how they use crispy cabbage and lettuce instead of shells. And don't even get me started on their mason jar salads. They've got this anti-inflammatory farro and white bean combination that's literally revolutionized my lunch prep.
Tell me more about these mason jar lunches. Do they actually work in practice?
Absolutely. The key is in the layering strategy. Dressing at the bottom, hearty ingredients in the middle, and delicate greens on top. Everything stays fresh until lunchtime. And when you shake it up, it's perfectly dressed.
That's brilliant. And I noticed they have several recipes focused on reducing inflammation.
Yeah, like their turmeric chicken and avocado wrap. The turmeric adds this gorgeous golden color and amazing health benefits. They've even reinvented comfort foods, like this cauliflower spanakopita melt. That's basically a Greek-inspired grilled cheese.
Well, that's definitely going on my must-try list. What's first on your cooking agenda?
I'm starting with that Marry Me white bean salad. I mean, with a name like that, how can I resist? And I'm planning to prep those mason jar salads for the week. It's amazing how these recipes manage to be healthy, practical, and actually exciting to eat.
That's right. And the best part is how adaptable everything is while keeping the nutritional benefits intact. Thank you for listening.
And watching.